So Anthony's not coming?
Yeah, he said no.
Why not, little boy?
I remember.
Which one looks better?
It's John Cena.
Which one looks better to you?
What?
Which one looks better on the phone display here?
That one.
Which one? This?
Yeah.
Or this?
This.
This one?
Yeah.
Looks sharper?
But it's so light. That one's okay.
Yeah. So we are gonna go where, little boy?
Metro Town.
Metro Town? We are going to a Metro Town?
It's John Cena.
We are going to a Metro Town. Is it cold outside?
No, it's John Cena.
Let's see. Let's see if it's cold. Oh, it looks like it's cold out there. Oh, it is cold. It is cold out. Okay. Where's your jacket? You got your jacket? Okay, come. Hold on. Close it up. See what it looks like in the dark here. In the dark, I cannot see ourselves. In the dark. Ooh, we in the jungle. We are in the jungle. That was quite dark, guys. Quite dark. Okay, guys, we're here at the park. We're gonna test out some more video on these cameras, on these devices, and see how they perform side by side. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Beautiful, beautiful day in Vancouver, Canada. I've got my nephew and my niece here. We're just gonna hang out and chill and see how this device perform. So first, let me just walk here and you guys could just take a look at the stabilization and see how it performs. I'm gonna try to pick up the pace and run.
I run faster than you.
Alright. So now I'm just gonna flip it back to the back camera. Check out this tree, guys. Check out the details, the moss, and everything. Oh, look at that. We see a ladybug right there. So let's check out the macro or whatever you can macro it. Check out the tree up there, the sky, the leaf, the sunset. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. 40K, 60 frames per second. Alright, so let's go back. Let's try to zoom this car over here. I spotted. See if we could pick up the license plate. It looks like we can't. Alright, that's fair enough. And this is the wide angle for the S10 Plus. As you can see, it's super ultra wide compared to the OnePlus 60 that doesn't have it. All of a sudden you're cold. Oh my. Alright, so now we're shooting in 4K 60 frames per second. Both back cameras. Let's go check out some other angle here, the sewer. See what's cooking down there. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go for a little walk here. Where's the little boy? Let me follow you. Go walk.
Go up there.
Okay, I'm gonna chase him down. Hey, don't run yet. Sean. Are you gonna climb up the thing? Oh, no. No, not there. That's not safe.
So why did you do this? It's not safe.
Just halfway. Don't go all the way up.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
It's so cold? Okay, hurry up. Let's do it over here. Let's run. And I'll chase you guys. Oh my gosh, it is. Go run. Go run. Go run. I'm gonna chase you. Go.
What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on?
Okay. Now let's check out the. We're gonna try to do a selfie shot vlog here with these devices. So I hope you guys can see me in frame. All right. So now I'm gonna run. Come, run. Run.
Why are you playing? We ain't got the time.
That's how you keep yourself
Tell
warm,
me
Jana.
out if you want out.
Jana. Run. It will keep you warm. All right, so that's just a quick video test between the OnePlus 6T and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Hopefully you guys could find the difference between the two devices. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.
Subscribe.
Peace.